So hello everyone, this is Maven. Uh, Today I want to talk about the law of large numbers. So law of large number is really easy. You can search it on internet, Wikipedia. So now I will show you guys the law of large number is in Python. So this is my code. Sorry if my variable's name is a little bad, but we don't care about that. We just care about the law of large numbers that the random functions shows for us. So let's test two tosses. Oh, and 100%. Okay, not our expectations. So now is a little bit later. 10, 60, 40. Good, good, good. 50, 46. So you can see that it is closer and closer to 50-50. So larger 1000, 50.5 and 49.5. Yeah, you will see that it is really near to 50-50. 10,000. Yeah, or 1 million. Yeah, 50.02 and 49.98. 10 million can be a little bit like slow. Yeah, 49.99 and 50.01. Yeah, so that is law of large numbers. Thank you.